we're group 5. We decided to create a bot that would help organize people's lives. So we sketched out 2 different bots that would help out our 2 different personas that we created.
The 2 personas of potential users we made include Chad and Lauren. Chad is a 19-year-old sophomore at Indiana University. He's currently in the School of Public, Environmental, and Affairs. He's very conscientious and a type of person that's very open to new ideas. With his struggles with school, he wants to give the MyBuddy a chance to help him with his busy schedule. Lauren's a 27-year-old woman working at Cisco in Boston, Massachusetts. Now that she's a major account manager at Cisco, she's also having trouble keeping up with her busy schedule. And we'll also give MyBuddy a try.
Alright, so I decided to do the sketches for Lauren since there's 2 people, me and her split up the sketches. So I did Lauren's sketches, and the first one is Lauren's in a normal emotional state. And it's basically just, this is the sketches that you'll see on the PDF. And it's just basically the bot can read her text messages, and then if there's keywords like let's meet or something like that, it can grab those and automatically set up an appointment, and then it'll also text her at the bottom and make sure that's all right. So they text her like it's just one of her friends. And then this is gonna be Lauren that's at a distraught case scenario. Basically, the story is her boss wants her to work late and she doesn't really want to, so she's having a conversation with the bot, and the bot can have a full out friendly conversation and say, hey, no, you don't really need to work because you've already worked late 2 nights this week, and it's just a friendly face. That's all it is. That's it.
Alright, so my sketch shows his Chad's stressful and attentive emotional state. So MyBuddy can help Chad to be a more organized person and manage his schedules. MyBuddy can access to his Canvas website and track his schoolwork and send him text message or reminds him 2 days or a day, certain amount of time before it's due. So for here, this one shows Chad's lazy emotional state. So MyBuddy can actually have conversation and interacts with him. Chad's having struggle on his homework. MyBuddy can recognize that by Chad's sigh and his facial expressions. And you can also send an email to the professor. And lastly, MyBuddy can order food for him.
Okay, so we did the usability testing and we tested 2 different people using the 2 different bots we created. So for the first one, I tested one of my roommates and she interacted with the MyBuddy bot. And so I used this to show her, and then I have different little bubbles of what the robot would say back to her. So Savannah, when she was interacting with the bot, she liked it, and she told the bot that she was trying to make time to do her retail math homework, and the bot pulled up a calendar for her to see what she could, what time she had available to do her homework. And the bot helped her figure out a time to do her homework and offered to send her text message reminders, which might be a good feature for some people, but Savannah is a person who's not always on her phone, so she told the robot that that probably wouldn't be as helpful and wanted a verbal reminder, so we took note of that. And then we tested another person named Tyler with the other bot that we created, and he interacted with the bot well as well, talking to it and everything, but he said that he needed a screen, a more visual thing to look at when interacting with the bot, not just hearing the bot verbally, because he said he's more of a visual learner, so we also took note of that.
Alright, so as a result from the usability test, we decided that both bots had many good features and they both had many bad features. So we decided to combine them into one good final bot. So we decided to keep the look of the MyBuddy with the screen and everything. So because from the usability test, they both decided they liked the screen, they liked more visuals. So we decided to do that. And then we kept a lot of the other features which are listed right here, and you could read them all in the PDF. However, some of the main ones are you can go into the settings and change whether or not you want verbal commands and notifications, or if they want you to text or call. So that was a feature we actually added, was the ability to actually change the settings of the buddy. And pretty much besides that, all the features are pretty much the same.